question, if we washed a pear and did Netilas Yedayim without a bracha, after a few bites, the pear fell on the floor, and we washed it again. Do we need to do Netilas Yedayim again?
I think so, yes, because we wet our hands. That's the thing, yeah. So let me, I'm not sure, I hope the question is as deep as I'm thinking about. So if not, so let's also listen up. So it says in Shulchan Aruch that when you're about to eat something moist, or when you dip food into one of the 7 liquids, not 7, blood is usually don't dip in blood, but other liquid, maybe dew was also out, but into the water, into the honey, into the wine, also I guess the vinegar, right? Wine vinegar, right? Also the liquids, right? Honey meaning bee honey. So if you're going to dip, right? So you have to wash your hands because it's a liquid that can contract or transfer tumor, right? Or they say, or you eat moist stuff like fruits or something. Meaning what that you want to eat apple, so you have to wash your apple. I mean, usually people wash if it was dry. For example, you have a fruit bowl, right, and you wash in the morning 3 apples that you're going to eat. There is no problem. You don't have to wash your hands. I mean, with a cup. But if you just wash your hands, right, with this apple, so yeah, you have to wash your hands. Okay, purify them, as you do before bread, but you don't say any blessings. Some people don't do because there is some leniencies, there is some lenient opinion, but we try to follow the opinion that we do, right? I don't know if I say that not, but I heard like some people like many people, if they would have their mouth shut, they would be like much better off, right? They say no, it's a Sephardic custom. 3 times in my life I said it. Heard from people, like if somebody does not know, you just like ignore it. But some people who should know better said it's not Sephardic custom, it's Shulchan Aruch, it's Mishnah Berurah, just go read. You understand? Right. So if continue with that example. So person wash their hands twice on right, twice on left, and add this pair like 3 times and it fell on the floor. So you go wash. So again, like you introduce your hands to this water, and water can this water, this pair is going can transfer this spiritual impurity. So yeah, it's preferable to wash again.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.